Hi friends, good morning. This is Uma. I work as senior chemistry lecturer in Sri Gurukul Vidyalayam College of Science, Kasipugga and Palasa Town, Srikakulam district, Andhra Pradesh state, India. Okay. Today I would like to explain part 6 of structure of organic molecules, which is the subtopic of GOC. In earlier videos, we discussed part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Clear? What about part 5? Tell me, sir. What about part 5? What we discussed in part 5, sir? Tell me. Yes. Trick to find hybridization of organic molecules. This is over in part 5 video. Trick to find hybridization of organic molecules. Now we will see part 6. It is a continuation for the part 5. Clear? Now see part 6. In part 6, I will explain only one topic, that is trick to find hybridization of any molecules. Hybridization of molecules or ions. Clear? Today I would like to explain trick to find hybridization of molecule, all type of molecules or all type of ions. Shall I move? Okay. Here one formula is there, that is hybridization is equal to hybridization H is equal to number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pair of electrons. This is formula. You have to remember it. Hybridization is equal number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pair of electrons. Okay. If H value is equal to, suppose, if H value, H means what, sir? Hybridization. If H value 2, that means that molecule undergo sp hybridization. 2, 1s, 1p. That's why 2. If H value 2, then hybridization is what, sir? sp. Tell me, sir, if H value 3, hybridization sp2, good, sp2 hybridization. If H value 4, hybridization sp3. If H value 5, hybridization sp3d. If H value 6, that hybridization is sp3d2 hybridization. H value 7, that is sp3d3 hybridization. Clear? Nice. What is formula? Hybridization is equal to H is equal to number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pair of electrons. If H value 2 came, then hybridization is sp3, sp2, 4, sp3, 5, sp3d, 6, sp3d2, 7, sp3d3 hybridization. Clear? Nice. Better to take screenshot. Now we will see how to calculation of sigma bonds, that is important. Okay. Now we will see calculation of sigma bonds. Calculation of sigma bonds. How to calculate? There is 2 points. One is all single bonds are sigma bonds. All single bonds are sigma bonds. Second one is in multiple bond that is triple bond or double bond. One is sigma bond and others are pi bonds. Clear? How to calculate sigma bonds in a molecule? All single bonds are sigma bonds. In multiple bond, one is sigma bond, others are pi bonds. Clear? We will see some examples. For example, A double bond B. One molecule is there, A double bond B. How many sigma bonds are? It is a multiple bond. Multiple bond nothing but generally multiple bond nothing but double bond or triple bond. Generally more than triple bond, the compounds are very rare. In multiple bond, sigma bonds how many are? In multiple one is all single bonds are sigma bond. Okay. In multiple bond, one is what sir? Sigma bond. Clear? Pi bonds how many? One sigma bond is gone, one is remaining, that is pi bond 1. Example 2, X triple bond Y. Multiple bond, it is multiple bond. Sigma bonds how many sir? Tell me sir. In multiple bond, one is sigma bond. One is sigma bond, remaining two are pi bonds. Clear? Nice. Suppose n bonds are present between two atoms. Suppose n bond present between two atoms. Then sigma bonds how many are? Pi bonds how many? Think it. If n bonds are present between two atoms, then sigma bond always one only. But pi bond. One sigma bond is gone, remaining pi bonds what sir? N minus 1. Clear? Okay. I will give you one example. Okay. Some more example. For example, C. Sorry. How many sigma bonds are present? How many pi bonds are present? Tell me, sir. All single bonds are what, sir? Sigma bonds. All single bonds are sigma bonds. So, how many single bonds are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 single bonds. That means sigma bond 7. Pi bonds what, sir? There is no multiple bond. Multiple bond means for double bond or triple bond. So, pi bonds 0. Clear? Now, example 2. Tell me, sir, sigma bonds how many? Pi bonds how many? Tell me, sir. In a molecule, all single bonds are sigma bonds. How many single bonds are present? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single bonds plus in a multiple bond 1 sigma bond. In a multiple bond 1 sigma bond. That is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Remaining are pi bonds. So sigma bonds 5, pi bonds 1, sir. Clear? One more example. Sigma bonds how many, pi bonds how many, sir? Tell me, sir. Very easy. All single bonds are sigma bonds 2 plus in a multiple bond 1 is sigma bond. Remaining are pi bonds. So sigma bonds 3, pi bonds also 3. That's why we calculate sigma bonds. Clear? Okay. And we can calculate number of lone pair of electrons, but no need about number of lone pair electrons. I have to tell one trick, that is enough for you. But you have to concentrate about calculation of sigma bonds. Now we will see calculation of lone pair of electrons. Calculation of lone pair of electrons. One formula, number of lone pair of electrons is equal to, there is one formula, group number minus total bonds by 2. Number of lone pair of electrons is equal to group number minus total bonds by 2, whole by 2. But this formula no need by heart, don't bother about it, but you have to concentrate about this one. Group number, that is important. What is group number? Simple tricks are, group number means number of valence shell of electrons of a central atom. That means number of valence electrons. That is called group number. Clear? Okay, we will see example CH4. In CH4, central atom what, sir? Carbon. Central atom is carbon. Central atom is what, sir? Carbon. Carbon group number how much? Total bonds. We will see. Structure, see, around the C 4 bonds are present. Now, group number how much? Group number of valence shell of electron of central atom. Carbon in CH4 central atom carbon. Group number how much, sir? Better to write configuration. Group number carbon 6 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This is first shell. This is second shell, second shell. These are the second shell. That is outermost shell. In second cell, how many electrons are present? 2 plus 2, how many? 4. Valence shell means what, sir? Outermost shell. Outermost shell. In outermost shell, how many electrons are present, sir? 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. So group number 4 minus total bonds, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 0. That means CH4 central atom does not have lone pair of electrons. Clear? Nice. Now see other example. Okay. NH3. Sorry. Other example, see, sir, NH3. 10 Tell me, sir, nitrogen group number how much? Simple, sir. Nitrogen is equal to 7 is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Clear? This is first shell. This is second shell. That is outermost shell. In outermost shell, how many electrons are present? 2 plus 3, 5. That means group number 5 minus total bonds. NH3 structure C, sir. N, H, H, H. All are single bond. Hydrogen means what? It forms single bonds only. So 3 bond. 5 minus 3 by 2. That is what, sir? 2 by 1. That is what, sir? 1. One lone pair. One lone pair. That means what, sir? One lone pair. Clear? Nice. Other example we will see, sir. H2O. How many lone pairs present in central atom? Oxygen. See, sir, oxygen is equal to 8 is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. These are the outermost electrons. 2 plus 2, sorry. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. How many electrons are present? Tell me, sir. This is first shell. These are the outermost shell. On outermost, how many electrons are present? 2 plus 4, 6 electrons are present. Clear? That means number of lone pair electron group number 6 minus total bonds. Total bond oxygen having 2 sigma bond, 2 single bonds. Because hydrogen is present, hydrogen forms single bond only. So total bonds 2. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2. So that means 2 lone pairs. One lone pair and other lone pair. Clear, all of you? That's why we can calculate lone pair of electrons. But no need about this formula, but we have to remember group number. That is valency shell of electrons. Valency electrons which are present in outermost shell. At least second pill elements we have to remember that, sir. Second pill elements what, sir? Tell me, sir. Second pill elements: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Clear? So this is first group, that is from group number. Simple how to remember, sir. Group number, simple: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple. Oxygen group number how much, sir? 6. Carbon group number how much, sir? 4. Clear? Suppose carbon family is there, sir. Carbon family, tell me, sir. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin. I would like to ask, what is the valency of tin? How much, sir? Carbon valency 4. That means tin valence also 4. Clear, all of you? Suppose oxygen family. Tell me, sir. Oxygen family. Tell me. Oxygen. Tell me, sir. Oxygen family. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Okay. What about sulfur? Sulfur valency, that means what, sir? Oxygen valency is equal to sulfur valency. That means sulfur group number how much? 6. For this formula, we have to remember that. At least second period elements: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine, neon. That is group number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, xenon group number how much? Tell me, sir. Sir, neon group, inert gas group elements: helium, except helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So I want xenon. Xenon group number how much? Xenon belongs to what, sir? Neon family. That's why it's group number 8. Clear? Are you clear? Number of lone pair electrons is equal to group number minus total bonds whole by 2. Group number means what, sir? Valence shell electron, valence shell of electrons. That's the outermost shell of electron, nothing but valence electrons. Simply how to remember that, sir? Second period elements. Group number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Yes. Better to remember these aspects. Now, we are moving to example for calculation of hybridization. Clear? What is formula for hybridization? Tell me, sir. What is formula for hybridization? Hybridization is equal to number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. What, sir? Which is equal to number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. Clear? How to calculate sigma bonds? All single bonds are sigma bonds. Multiple bond, one is sigma bond, others are pi bonds. Whatever lone pair of electrons, you have to remember, in case of lone pair electrons, you have to remember group number only. Okay, shall I move example? See, sir. Example CH4. CH4 central atom carbon hybridization. What? Simple tricks are central atom carbon. Carbon group number now only discussed 4. That is 4 electrons are present. See, 4 electrons are present. Each hydrogen forms one sigma bond, one single bond, nothing but sigma bond. All single bonds are sigma bond. In carbon, there is no lone pairs. There is no lone pairs. That means hybridization is equal to, tell me, sir, number of sigma bonds, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sigma bonds plus number of lone pair 0. That is 4 plus 0, 4. That is what, sir? sp3 hybridization. H value 4. That means what, sir? sp3 hybridization. Tell me, sir. NH3. In ammonia, NH3. In ammonia, nitrogen atom undergoes dash hybridization. Simple tricks are nitrogen. What's up? Beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, lithium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nitrogen, what's up? 5. Or we have to write configuration 1s2, 2p3. The outmost electrons are 5. And that is also enough. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.